find it interesting that some people are actually eating food that have ingredients in it that they can't spell, or nor can they even pronounce. Hey guys, it's LT here. In this video, I'm talking about a simple nutrition tip that you can do when you're shopping for your food. Again, here's a simple nutrition tip you can do when shopping for your food. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel and like this video if it brings you value. My goal is to empower you to live a healthier life. All right, so now here's the easy nutrition tip anybody can follow. Now, the interesting thing is these days, the food manufacturing companies they should be sued actually, but they try to really deceive us and make us think from the package that it's all healthy and all lovely and it's just all beautiful and it's the best product in the world and it's going to help us to live a healthy life. Because honestly, most people want to be healthy. Most people want to live a healthy life. But the food manufacturing companies really look for ways to deceive us. So it's an easy tip for you. What I want you to do is, whenever you see something that looks great on the front of the package, turn around, look in the ingredients. If you can't pronounce the ingredients or you can't spell the ingredients, you probably shouldn't be eating that food. 90% of the time, 95% of the time, you probably shouldn't be eating that food because that means there's something in it that they turned into something else, or they added something that shouldn't be added, or something along that line. But this is a simple tip. Anybody can do it because, again, they are clever in the way they disguise things. They make you think it's healthy and make you think it's all great, and they just put all the stuff that you want to hear on the front of the package, but then on the back with the ingredients, you really got to be careful. So again, if you can't pronounce the ingredients, or you can't spell it, you probably shouldn't be eating it. This is a simple tip that'll keep you eating way more healthier than you probably normally do. Before you pick up any food in the supermarket, make sure you don't get caught up in the package because they'll try to fool you. But make sure you look at the ingredients and make sure you can spell and pronounce the ingredients that's in the food. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe to this channel to keep on getting fitness and nutrition tips because this is really what I love to do. I want to empower you. But like this video if it brings you value, and comment below and let me know what do you do to actually eat healthy. How are you eating healthy these days? All right, this is LT Fit. Have a great day.